Degrees. What was that? 41 degrees. Bellingham, Massachusetts. It has been raining this morning. After all that snow we were in the other day.
It was snowing this morning also when we left.
That's right. When we switched drivers up today, it started snowing. So he started out with it snowing. Now it's raining. And weather is crazy up here. Never knows what it wants to do.
It's like Charlie Sheen, it's bipolar. You have him because you can't make up in mind whether it wants to be sunny or cloudy or sunny.
But we have been making plans for switching up because we're leaving here 4 more days and we go to our new company. Well, okay, 4 more days and a wake up. We clean out this truck, get a rental car, which was half of our bad rental cars squared away, but we got it.
We're gonna go home and party.
We normally don't have that much trouble. So we have a week off in between before we go to our next job. We're going to do some time at Disney because we haven't been to the Animal Kingdom yet, and we haven't been to the Hollywood Studios. Universal Studios is a whole different thing.
And then the next day, since we are staying at one of the hotels, we get into the Magic Kingdom early.
Yeah.
We're going to stay a little bit later. I want to stay till the fireworks, but with us living so far away,
yeah, it's a 3-hour drive from our house to Disney. Even though you look at Florida, it looks pretty skinny. It's still 3 hours to the coast.
We went to Disney. We left at 10 o'clock.
We left we usually leave about 11.
10:30.
Okay, 10:30.
And everyone said, "Oh, I'm gonna stay." I made it 12 miles down the road after McDonald's, and nope, I didn't even go to McDonald's.
Well, it's hard. Understand, for when we go to Disney, we leave our house at like 6 o'clock.
But I get up at like 5.
It's like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. We leave and we go there.
I try to eat breakfast before we leave.
We stop somewhere, get some breakfast, usually on the way, or we get something before we leave out of town. And we get to Disney just before they open. And then we're there the entire day. Because they open at, what is it, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock?
At 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. They open at 9. And so we're there from 9 o'clock until like 10 at night. It's 13 hours of walking around Disney. So it's really hard to drive 3 hours after that. You're pretty whooped.
He wouldn't know what that's like. I don't think he's ever driven.
No, I can't. I don't. It's too much. So, I mean, that's just the way it is.
That's why it's for like $25 since we're Disney members. We get them for cheap.
Yeah, we get an inexpensive hotel, stay the night. The next day we don't stay so late. I think we're going to leave probably 5, 6 o'clock at night. That way we're home by 9, and it's great. I mean, we've been to Disney plenty, so there's only certain things that we need to do now. We go to Disney all the time. As far as the Magic Kingdom,
the mine train is the best. Kip has yet to ride it.
I haven't been on the mine train. Every time there's either a line and it's too long to wait, or the one time we had a fast pass for it, it was closed down because it was broken. So hopefully we get to go on it's like the 7 Dwarfs or something. It's the mine train thing.
It's exciting, but then at Animal Kingdom they have the Expedition Everest, which is like a really high speed roller coaster. I've never been on it, and apparently it's really scary and really dark.
I've never even been to the Magic Kingdom or the Animal Kingdom before.
I've never been either, so.
And so we have fast pass for that ride already. We've already did that. I'm surprised them kids on the bus didn't try to get us to blow the horn. Normally when a bus passes it, they try to get us to blow the horn.
My ears are actually itching a bit.
Then Sunday the 26th, at least we think. We're not going to know until Monday exactly what our travel plans are, because they said Monday or Tuesday they'd be sending us all the information for our travel arrangements. So we're not really clear yet whether or not we're even, what time we're traveling, when, all of that. So, stay tuned. We'll let you know how that's going to work out. But then I do know for a fact the 27th is when our orientation starts. And don't know how much of that day we're going to film each day, but we'll see how it goes and what they allow. We're looking forward to it. I think we're going to have fun. Our orientational day we get paid, So it's going to be awesome.
Yep, I'm excited. Not too keen on the flying.
My turn to drive. We're going to switch up. But before we do, we found a plaza with a Boston market.
And guess where we are? Massachusetts.
Yeah. So that's going to be cool.
Oh, crap, that's really fun.
Everybody else is walking around with just regular jackets on. I got this like wild people, you know, wild Alaska type jacket on because I'm from Florida and I hate the cold.
What is this bullshit?
Got a hoodie on underneath it.
Oh, yeah.
Freezing.
Ah, check out the salt line.
Yeah, they got, I guess somebody dumped salt on the ground where they were salting the parking lot and it got overzealous in a spot there. So
I thought it was funny. Stop bumping into
we're
me.
gonna go.
Legit.
Why you want to walk in the snow?
Because I'm trying to get to a garbage can.
No, I'm not walking in the snow. That's ridiculous. Anyway, we're gonna go have lunch. They got Boston Market.
Look. We should get one.
Doesn't even look like it's on.
It's probably not.
But they got Boston Market, Auntie Anne's, Papa Guinea's, D'Angelo's, or maybe it's Papa Guinea's, D'Angelo's, or something like that. Oh, it said grill sandwiches, pizzeria, and then we got Dunkin' Donuts over there in Boston Market. They do have a place here called Fresh City that I didn't see before. They have like all salads and smoothies and stuff like that. And then they have another one called Cheesy Street Grill over there too, which is cool. So we parked like the farthest away from the building, so we got our exercise for today. I got Boston Market. Jake got a little bit of Boston Market because we got cornbread. They have the best cornbread, and we got a half dozen cornbread for like $2.
I wouldn't go with the best cornbread, but
I think it's the best.
it's dry. Today it's dry.
Cornbread's dry anyway, but this is for cornbread, they got the best cornbread anyway. And so I got what they call a 3-side sampler. They gave me 2 things of forks, so that's good. We'll save it. Okay, they gave me 4 sets of silverware. That's pretty cool. Not sure why with one meal, but we'll
I
save
got
it.
pizza. I would show you, but I don't want my pizza to slide out, so I got 2 slices.
You just got cheese pizza, right?
Yep.
From that Papa
Gino's.
Papa Guinea's or whatever it is.
Papa Gino's.
Is it Papa Gino's? So anyway, I got rice pilaf, sweet potatoes, and some spinach. I'm gonna eat, inspect the truck, and then head on down the highway.
Continue on the road.
Yeah, I'll continue on the road, as opposed to where. So about 80 miles ago, we pick up our load at Yankee and take it over to Ohio. Man, window looks terrible. See if we can clean it up for you. That should be better. Somebody broke down on the shoulder here. Rocks through these hills like this, though, you can see where there's all this rock on either side. They had to cut through that to make the road through. So it wasn't more hills than what it already is. Kind of amazing when you think about it, the infrastructure of the country, of all the railroads and the roads and stuff that's going on, but there's also a lot of upkeep too. Lately they've had trouble with dams bursting.
It's true.
They had one dam that burst in Nevada there, right?
Yep, that took out the road.
Oh yeah, the Loves and there was a Loves and what other, another truck stop there.
Petro and Flagjet.
Yeah, they're all flooded out. I don't know if they got that situation fixed up there or not.
I haven't heard anything about it.
And I know in California, I think it is, they got the other dam that they've evacuated people because of. I think part of I-80 was taken out when they flooded, when that dam broke in Nevada.
Yeah, the westbound side was.
I don't know if they got that fixed up yet either.
Probably not. They're a little slow out there.
Well, it depends on what part and where. I mean, it could be a lot of work to get that back together. Water is very, very destructive. Well, this is a pretty cool looking area right here. Kind of frozen lake.
Yeah. That sounds good. Not too many frozen lakes today.
Windows all dirty again. Keeps getting dirty.
Yeah, it's because of all the salt on the roads.
Yeah.
And it's annoying because earlier this morning I ran out of washer fluid. Now I had to rely on the people getting like right behind people to get the nasty, dirty spray water.
And this time of year, you go through a whole lot of washer fluid.
And it gets expensive.
And you got to make sure you get the washer fluid that's for below freezing temperatures, because if you get the stuff a lot of times that the company has in their shop, it's not treated for cold weather, and it'll freeze up on you, and then you can't use it anyway. All the lines will be frozen up. So it's important to make sure you get the right thing.
I'm over here stuffing my face with cornbread. Still.
Yeah, the cornbread, he said it wasn't the greatest. He's tearing it up.
I'm fat. Yeah, I'll cook me another slice of pizza for $1. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna be that hungry.
Probably should have got another piece for $1, huh?
No, the pizza was okay, but it wasn't like awesome pizza that
You said it was the best pizza ever when you got it.
Yeah. But I don't know.
But as the sun sets, it actually looks kind of nice out there. Gotta say, we have one of the greatest jobs. Our commute to work is basically get out of the sleeper and you're at work, and then when it's time to go home, you're just get out of the seat, go to the sleeper. Not necessarily home time, but home, or home away from home. And we get to see so many cool things while we drive. Gotta say, it's gotta be one of the greatest jobs to have. I think if you were one of those traveling people that go around and travel the world today, Jake's going to bed, and I'm just gonna go pick this stuff up so I can
Actually,
focus on what I'm doing.
everybody should go watch the show Riverdale. Very good show. Or the Santa Clarita Diet, which is about this mom that becomes a zombie and eats people. It's not a bloody show, it's like a comedy. But it's pretty fun.
I don't even hear you. But he's saying to go see a show called Riverdale on Netflix, isn't it? No.
No, it's on the CW.
Oh, it's on the CW. So if you have the CW app, or you have CW at home, you can watch Riverdale and some other bomb-eating people. Santa what? Clarita. That sounds too much like something else. So the Santa Clarita Diet is another movie he suggested.
It's like a zombie series, but it's funny.
More often than not, I'm not a fan of what he watches, so don't hold me responsible if you don't like it. Until tomorrow, get out and explore someplace in your world. Make every day an adventure and dream big.